Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by refreshing the phone's wireless state. This often fixes transient issues quickly. First, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off so radios reinitialize. Once done, restart the device to clear background glitches and cached network locks. If the network still fails, open Wi-Fi settings, choose the problematic SSID, and forget it. Then re-add the network with the correct password so your phone creates a fresh connection profile. Now you dig into settings to remove configuration conflicts. Check whether your phone and router agree on 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Older phones may not support 5 GHz. Next, inspect the Wi-Fi network details. Switch from a static IP to DHCP if set, and confirm DNS entries are valid or default to automatic. If these targeted fixes don't help, perform a network settings reset to restore Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular default. Finally, rule out the router and software versions as the source of trouble. Power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in so DHCP leases refresh and radio modules restart. Make sure your phone OS and router firmware are up to date to avoid protocol mismatches. Once done, test the Wi-Fi with another device to see if the issue is your phone. If only your phone fails, consider a factory network reset or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.